Well, hello, welcome back. I am back with another review, you guys. I'm super excited. This particular um, package that I received, this bag actually disappointed me twice on it. Not necessarily the bag, but more so my orders kept getting canceled, you guys. I placed my order twice and it has been canceled each time. But one thing about it is, you guys, I love this community. The community will look out for you when you build those relationships and those rapport. They tend to look out for you. So when I posted this in our group that my order had been canceled again, then I started getting different ones stating that their store had it. So I was able to reach out to a store and they actually had some brand new ones sitting in the store, which is interesting to me. So you guys already know who it is and where it's from because you know one of my favorite brands. But without further ado, I'm going to go ahead and jump into it. But you guys, thank you guys so much for stopping by and watching my videos. I truly, truly appreciate your support. And if you're new here, I truly appreciate you stopping in and watching little old me. So we're going to go ahead and jump into it because I don't want to make it a long one. All right, I did want to come and do a review on this one because I feel like this is something I haven't really done a lot of reviews on my channel. You guys kind of know what I gravitate to, but I do have a love for this specific bag. And I'll share with you the why about this. So if you know me, you guys, you know one of my favorite brands is Coach. I've already pulled it out the box as far as what it was delivered. I did come with a ribbon. I haven't necessarily unwrapped it or opened the box yet. So this is an unboxing that we're going to do together. So the ribbon came off as I pulled it out of the box because it's a pretty big box. So it came wrapped. Have my receipt here. And I am going to go ahead and take the lid off. And let's go ahead and get into it. You guys, I love when you guys take a guess. Post in the comments section. What do you think I got? What bag do you think I got? I don't think you guys are going to guess. But if you do, then you know me. So let's go ahead and get into it. I didn't tell you guys I went to a Coach meetup event a couple of weeks ago in Chicago. You guys, I enjoyed myself. I met some of the best people that has the same love that we do in bags. It was a wonderful time. We went to the retail store. We ate lunch together, and then we went to the outlet store. And actually, this particular bag, I was able to reach out to one of the essays at the store that I met. So building that rapport and relationship across the world has been such an amazing deal for me because it's allowed me to be able to grab some things that I truly want and don't have to go through all the, shenanigans and getting it. I'm over that, you guys. So here is the bag. They did place it in so it comes with a little bag. So let's go ahead and get into it. Oh my gosh. Okay, here we go. You guys, I got you kind of can see her peeking through. And again, she came from the store, so she did come wrapped. She's a big mama. All right. I got the Love Leather, and I want to show you guys completely wrapped, you guys, from the store. Okay. I'm taking this part off. I was taking off. So I got the Rogue 31 in the green Love Leather. Look at that burnish, you guys. A lot of people have been griping and complaining about this, but it's supposed to be, it's supposed to have that. Some people say it just looks too intentional, but I feel like you haven't given it an opportunity. So I don't necessarily say it would be it's green, but I don't know how to really explain the color. You guys tell me. It is, if I pull up like my green olive, let's see what's the closest to me. Okay. We have, which it actually comes in this silhouette. It comes in this silhouette. So this is the Slouchy Rogue in the olive green silver hardware. They actually did the love leather in this as well, which is why I didn't go with the silhouette. So if we compare the two colors, you see, so you have my olive green. This is more deeper, darker green compared to olive. To me, the burnish is giving the olive green color. Am I seeing that? Are you guys seeing that? But this is why I didn't go with the top handle Rogue. So I'll sit her over there. I wanted to go with an actual Rogue. Now, I love a Rogue, you guys. I have roughly 4, 5, 6, 7 Rogues. I'm an old school Rogue girl though, which is why I've kind of been staring away from this particular style. But when it came in the love leather, I liked the black one, but I didn't know if I needed another black. I seen them in the stores. I kind of, ooh, that is so pretty. Look at that. Even the handles, you guys, that is gorgeous. I love that. Oh my gosh. And people were like, they don't know. A lot of people have been griping and complaining, but I'm like, you guys know that love leather means that it's supposed to be, looks like it's been used and you've had it for a while. I love it. Let me go ahead and start getting her unstuck. So again, I have a love-hate relationship for this bag. Not because of the specifics, because I love a Rogue bag, but because it is the soft leather. I like the more structured Rogue, which is why I said I'm the old school Rogue girl. But when I went to the actual meetup, I was able to test out the actual suede in the chocolate brown, and I thought about getting that one. I was so indecisive, but then I thought to myself, because I was trying to get something that I don't truly have in this in color wise, and so I decided I was going to go with this. Well, this kept coming restocking, but every time I would place the order, I would wait and wait and wait, and all of a sudden I get that disappointed email saying my order's been canceled. I don't know why Coach has been doing that lately. I know Dealers has been doing that, but you can go on Dealers website and it looks like the item is actually, they got this bag stuff, y'all. In Dealers, you actually go out to the website, it looks like things are in stock and it's not. Well, Coach has been doing that lately too, and I don't know why. But, well, I kind of sort of do, but I'll digress from that. So like they had that pretty stuff. I love that everything is protected. My goodness, I'm not going to even be able to unwrap this completely online because it'll be all day. So let's get into it. So again, it has that burnish. A lot of people have been complaining, but I actually like that. That's what it looks like on one side. On the other side is here. It comes with your shoulder straps, which are like so, and I believe, let's take a look at those. Now the shoulder straps are not burnished, they're just straight green. Let's take a look at the crossbody. Oh, actually it is. Crossbody is, as you can see, love. So let me take a look again at the shoulder strap. Let me check these again because that doesn't make sense if the top handle and the crossbody is, but the two shoulder straps are not. Maybe I just didn't look at them completely because, again, lighting. Very vaguely. Okay, so yes, they are. I'm sorry. I take that back. I was looking on the back side, but the outside, yes. So everything, it's the details for me. It comes with the 1941 hang tag. You guys know, if you know, it actually comes with 2 hang tags. Ooh, I didn't know that. So you have a regular Coach tag, and then they actually give you the 1941 as well. Didn't know that. That's a bonus. You also get the clochette as well. Everything is loved. I love that. I love that about this bag. It is in the gold hardware. It has, for anyone that is interested, this is the tag. It's very soft. So inside you have on each side 2 pockets, Rogue. So on this side you have leather. It's all leather. On this side you have leather. You also have on this side a snap closure pocket, like so on that side. And I was looking to see if it had the old school like credit card holder, but it doesn't. It just has that pocket. It is all magnet. I love that. It's magnet closure, like so on both sides. The funny part is, look at that, y'all. It's even love letter. That is too cute. Inside pocket is lining. You also have a pocket in here that is snap closure. Okay. You have the zipper tags right here. And it has 2 on each one on each side because the zippers close like so. So you have the 2 hang tags. So, and like I said, this is a Rogue 31. And I just want to compare it to the old original Rogue 25. Let me take a look. My most recent, well, not my recent, but this closest one. So if you're interested in wanting to know what's the size comparison. So this is a Rogue 25 and this is a Rogue 31. So let's go ahead and put them side by side. You can definitely see the difference. Let me flip that back to you guys. So Rogue 25, Rogue 31. This is smaller, as you can see. Not that, it's not huge. A huge difference, but there's definitely a difference. And as you can see, this is structured, right? Very structured. Still made the same. It's inside though. But see how this is not as, you know, still comes with the same like pocket here. And this is what I was looking for. It doesn't have this credit card slot that it normally has in the Rogue. But yes, this is one of my favorites. Never getting rid of her, okay? Let's put her back. It does have feet like the Rogues. There's the bottom. So it does have the feet. On the side, it also comes with the lock. Let's get her unwrapped. The lock there, isn't that pretty? I'm loving the lock. So of course it comes with the key. So that is that. But you guys, let's see, I'd love to unwrap all this, you guys. It's a lot, so I'm not gonna go through trying to get everything unwrapped during this video. But what do you think? Do you like the new Rogues? Do you like the flexibility of the leather, or you think that they should have kept the Rogues very structured? Anyone have the new Rogues, whether it's in the suede? Because I really had my eye on the suede one. There's a gorgeous blue one that's going around that they had. But I love that it's light. Let me say that. It's light because these, if you know the Rogues, they can get heavy depending on what you can put in it. I do love that they're light and malleable. I mean, look at this. You know, like your old school Rogues are not doing that. So that is a plus for me. I am loving this. This is gorgeous. This is beautiful. I can't wait to use her. I ain't gonna even lie. Style her, decorate her. I love it. And the fact that it's love leather, what I love about the love leather, you guys, you don't have to be so gentle and put them down because everybody's so worried about scratches. That's what your bag supposed to do. You supposed to use it and get your money's worth. And it adds creativity to your bag and your own. I mean, unless you're really trying to sell your stuff, certain stuff, I get it, but my bags I like to use down, okay? I've used this several times and it still looks luscious and new. And this was one of the reasons why I was skeptical on getting this, is because I was thinking it was green, but I love some green. Y'all, I'm super excited. I can't wait to style her. Um, what's your thoughts? How are you guys feeling? Are you also on the borderline because people feel like the burnish how it's been done? Each one I've seen has been totally different. Some people are going and picking up. Some people would say this side is too much. It doesn't bother me. I love it. Um, I don't know. You guys tell me. I love that it's burnished on this side as well, the inside. She's not going anywhere. She's here. Um, it's cute to me. So I've been seeing a lot of pickiness lately, you guys, and I don't know what this thing is. I don't know if coaches made us like this, but some things are meant to look the way that they're looked, the way that they're made. But I am so excited. Tell me your thought process. What do you feel? How do you feel? Whether it's the leather, the suede ones, do you plan on getting one of these? Is this on your radar? Do you want Coach to come out with more bags and more colors like this? Because I feel like the Rogue has always been that girl. If you know, you know. Some people's like it's too business, but I feel like you can carry this on a daily basis, not necessarily casual business, casual or business. This bag can be dressed up just like all the other bags. So, again, I'm not going to hold you guys. Tell me what you think. And is this something that you're interested in or on your radar? Whether it's the love leather or just the solid colors, because it comes in maple, black. I've seen suede, brown, suede blue, another light brown. So, and I'm hoping they're coming out with more. Or I'm loving this because it takes away the Empire shine a little bit. I love the Empire, but I feel like we've overdone it with that. And so I'm loving that the Rogues are coming back. So let me know your thoughts. And again, thank you guys for stopping by and watching, and I'm coming to share with me. I will be back with you guys soon and very soon to open up additional boxes. Like I said, I have just been busy. Life has been life, and I know you guys hear me say that a lot, but that's the real deal. Life's been lifing. So other than that, I hope you guys have an amazing day, and I will see you guys soon. Bye bye. She's so cute. Can't wait to style her.